Hey, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to hang grow lights. These are regular shop lights that I get from Amazon. I'll put a link in the description if you need some, but I'm going to show you the way how I do it. Maybe it might help you. All right, so let's go ahead and get into it. Now, I'm going to go over the items that we're going to need to actually do this. Of course, you need the lights, and I like the way that they put everything in here, so they got all of the connections that we need. But these are so important because this is what we're going to use to hang the grow lights, the brackets that we need. You're going to need a drill bit, and you're going to need a screwdriver bit, so I can just change it in and make it a lot easier. Oh, we need the PVC pipe. So the PVC pipe that I use is the 1/2 inch. I bring it in a little closer so that you can see. And what I did, I actually had a saw, so you may need a saw unless you have a PVC cutter. And I cut these down to 1 foot 4 inches so that they are both even, just like that. So that's going to be very important as well, to make sure that they're even. And you don't have to have it that long, but just in case I want to add another light beam, I can do that. So that's why I always go a little bit longer. But you want to make sure you have that. You want to make sure you have a tape measure and you have a marker so that you can mark the spots that we're going to drill into. So I start 4 inches up. That's my first dot. And then from there, I'm going to go 3 inches from that first dot. All right, so let me go ahead and mark it. That's 3. All right, 3 more inches. Now, when I do this, I have always put 4 beams up, but if you want to do 3, that's totally up to you. Light fixtures. All right, so now let me move this out the way. So now that I have them marked, it is important to make sure that I get it even. So that's why I told you to make sure you have a marker. So I'm going to mark where I'm going to drill so that the bracket can go in that area. All right, so here's the bracket up close, and here's the screw that they give. And I have a broken drill bit, but this is the smallest one in relation to this actual screw. So that's what I'm gonna use, because I don't want to make the hole so big and then the screw doesn't hold the bracket. All right, so let's go ahead and drill this in. All right, so this is where my first hole is at. So I'm gonna go ahead and drill into it. And like I said, hopefully it don't take too long because I got this drill bit that's messed up. All right, so I got that one. And I'm gonna go down the line and just complete the process. So I'll get back with you once I drill the rest of the holes. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and put the screwdriver bit in the drill so that we can go ahead and get these brackets on. All right, let's put the bracket over the hole, put the screw in, and then I'll move my hand in a second. Let me get it started. All right, just make sure you have it straight up, just like I said. All right, now it's in there nice and tight because we don't want to wiggle it too loose. So it's in there real good. All I'm gonna do is go ahead and repeat the process, and I'll be back in a couple seconds. This is why it's important to make sure that you measure it, because you want to have them real close together, because when we pull it apart, we gotta connect the lights on. But after we do that, we still have to drill in the back of this. And I'm trying to remember if I drilled before, but I think I want to have the lights on first so I can see where I need to put those the eyes so that it holds the lights up. But let me go ahead and finish up, and then we'll get back to putting the lights on. All right, so now all I'm gonna do is, like I said, the brackets are straight up and down. All I'm gonna do is slide this light, the back of it, and just clip it in. You press it, seeing it's locked. Then grab my next one, push it in, same thing. If I want, I can leave them down like this to make it even easier. Move this bracket out the way. And you can turn the lights upside down. I got a little mess over here. And then try to get them even. And you may have to adjust it just a little bit. That's the third one right here. You don't want to push the brackets too far out, meaning making them wide where they won't hold on to it. See, it's nice and sturdy. Get the last one on this side. Go ahead and click it in. And all you gotta do is just press it. And it'll stay locked in. But if you widen those brackets out, and then it's gonna be hard for it to stay together. So now I got to do the same thing. And that's why it's so critical for those brackets to be lined up with the other side. All I'm gonna do is press it down till it clicks. Press and move, press and move. There we go, looking good. All right, got one more to do. Now, if I hold it up like that, you'll see, look at that. Look at that, that's looking good. All right, so here's the next thing I use. I got the eyes with the screws, then the eyes. So I got to drill my holes in the top of this. So now what I do is I only use 3. I will put, it doesn't matter which side, I will have 2 on one side and then 1 on the other side. So I got 1 at the beginning of the lights. One of my light fixtures fell, so there's a light right here, 1 here. Then I like to put it in the middle before the third light fixture. So they got the 3rd light fixture and the 4th one over here. And then on the other side it's got 1 in the in between, in the middle. Just like I showed you over there, I'm gonna put the first hole right at the top, just in front of the actual light fixture. All right, now the next hole is gonna go right in front of the 3rd light fixture on the top. And for my last hole, it's gonna go in the middle of the between the 2nd and the 3rd light fixture. All right, so all I'm gonna do is take the eye and find that hole that I drill, and I'm gonna try to get it started and twist it in there. So my drill doesn't go out, so I can't grab it. So you can get a wrench, or you can take a screwdriver and go around just like that. Or if you got a better way to get it in there, hey, go ahead and go for it. But this way works as well. I like to get mine all the way down. I'm almost finished with this one. All right, I got it just like that, and I'll go ahead and do the next one, and then we'll be good to go. All right, so look, y'all, we already got that squared away. All I'm gonna do is lay it on my grow rack gently, but I don't want to break nothing. Slide it in. There we go. And you see this? Sometimes it can go sideways like that. It's real easy to correct. So I'm just gonna lay it straight down, and that was in perfectly. So let me show you the next thing. So if it's at this lower level right here, I take the pulley, I'm gonna go up 1 higher. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the side, just like this, clamp it in, and you wanna make sure that the lever to lower and raise it is on the side where you can just put your hand on it. And I'll show you how that works after I set it up. All right, so I'm gonna take my clamp, push it in, and I look at the eye, put it in there, and now that's in. All right, so let me try to repeat the process. Get the clamp, push it in. Then I'm gonna take it and get it in the eye, just like that. Now I got to do the other side, just that one. All right, so I just got to make sure I got the right string. And all I'm gonna do is pull it up. Now y'all watch, it's coming up. Look at it. I'm gonna try to get it even. I got it up. Now I just gotta go to the other side and pull that one up because I got the two on this side. All right, so all I'm gonna do is pull this up a little bit and then see at what level I want it. And then voila, there it is. Don't forget your cords that are in the packs. All you do is slide it into the groove. You can't miss it. You see that groove? It lines up perfectly like that. And then you'll just take the other ones and just daisy chain them how you want it up. And then your light is going to come on. Now, this is how I hang my grow lights. It's fairly simple. I don't have to pay all that money for those expensive grow stations. So this was a big help for me. I hope it helps you. And I'll see you in the next video. All right, bye.